Sabay ata natin siya naging teacher, hindi ba?
Eh, grade 8 lang naman tayo naging classmate eh.
Oh, yeah!
Tapos first time niya yun. Magturo.
Oh, di. Grade 8 tayo. Oh, wow! Ang tagal na natin.
Grabe, grade 2015.
I don't remember. Oh my God, it's my favorite thing in the world.
I want to hang out with my friends. I want to read. I want to have I want like new lip gloss. Oh God. I think it's very important for all of us to know and be aware of the fact that Red Bull doesn't give me wings. It gives me anxiety. Cheers! Layo pa! Pero malayo na. Eh, fuck this shit. Joke. Page 8 pa lang pala ako. Out of 28. Hindi pa malayo talaga.
Pagod ako. Pagod na pagod ako.
Fatima, eto binili ko. Krispy Kreme. Kasi wala palang J ko sa SM. Bruh. Eh. I am a purple sandpaper. Sandpaper. I got it wrong.
Grabe! Ah! Grabe!
I'm here with Bowie. And we're just chilling. Well, actually, he's the one who's chilling. I'm not. There's no bone in my body that's chill right now. Tomorrow I have to so I don't even have to elaborate on that. So I'm preparing for that right now. I just ate. I ordered in and I don't have money anymore. I'm so broke. I'm using the mouse pad my boyfriend got me as one of his gifts for our monthsary. And I did just finish watching Jujutsu. So I'm reading the manga now. There's something in Bowie's
Baliw! Oh my God!
mouse. Dang it.
Kaya malakas ang loob kung never nila may kita Facebook.
So, narinig na sabi ko yung ano? Kanina.
Ngayon pa lang ako nag-video. 11 seconds pa lang. O, kantayin mo na yung mashup mo. Go. How could you say you love me? How could...
Oh, Lisa.
Malisa lang ako, di ba tumama spelling?
Ano ba? Double Z, di ba?
Ay, hindi!
Double Y! Double Y!
Sabi mo, double lahat ng letters yan.
Double A.
LLYYZZAA. Fake friend.
Nakakagulat naman yung tanong ni Fatima. Di ba double Z?
Nagulat ako.
Si James Marto, lagi sa'yo nakatingin.
Ako ay lilipad at ang lahat makagaling sight in one dream.
Wala, nagko-concert sila.
Galing kay Kim.
Pinilikin niya.
Si JG Mark to lagi sa'yo nakatingin. Ay!
Minus 5 ka. Tapos may nakakandidat.
Ay!
Grade 1 na din.
Ayaw nga pala.